y'all, what's good? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna try these 90s vibes hard airbrush nails that I've been seeing on Instagram lately, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try those and I'll put it on myself. So yeah, in this video you're gonna see that, and I think they came out pretty cute in my opinion. You know, I'm not like the best drawer or whatever, so yeah, but honestly, so I started with white tips because I feel like with the clear tips you're using white. Like if you want it to be really white, I feel like the white tips are better than the clear ones. I'm so sorry, I'm outside. And I double tipped these nails because I kind of wanted it longer than usual, but double tipping is so annoying to me. So it took me a good while to double tip. So if you have like longer acrylics, let me know so I can buy on Amazon, because honestly I can't do that double tipping stuff. But these were my results after double tipping, and I wanted my nails square, so I made sure it was as square as possible. And then the next day, that's when I started doing my actual nails. Girl, I was looking so crazy outside. I'm so sorry, like I'm sorry. And this is my first time using the Mia Secret dehydrator with the primer. I had young nails before. It wasn't anything bad. I just wanted to try like the Mia Secret version. I know, I just, like wasting money. But yeah, you guys, I feel like I'm really getting used to this acrylic nail stuff. But my first nail always comes up messed up. Probably because, I only do my nails every 3 weeks, so I always I don't feel like I forget, but it takes me a while to get back in the mojo of, putting the acrylic on. But after that first nail, everything ends up okay. But yeah, my first nail was looking kind of crazy. Still liking this $10 brush I got off Amazon. When it came to my white nails, I knew I wanted my pinky, my index, and my thumb white, so I just started with those. And I didn't like the way the white felt, so I ended up putting a encapsulated clear on it, just to do that. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to waste product, but I just don't like the way the white feels by itself. I liked it more encapsulated. But yes, all the products should be in the description box below. All my acrylics are literally from Mia Secret. Like Mia Secret, she's that girl. I'm sorry, she that. Yeah, so per usual, I did the 3 bead method. I did 1 bead where the natural nail and the tip meet, and then I did my 2nd bead below that, and my 3rd bead near my cuticle. Not on it, near it, because you don't want it to flood. And also, angling is so important. When I tell you, when you're doing nails, your own nails, whatever, you don't want to angle you want to angle your finger down so it's not going back up to your skin. So make sure your finger is down, especially when you just put the bead on there, angle your fingers down. And for my ring and my middle finger, I started with a layer of white acrylic, and then I put glitter hearts I got from Michael's actually onto the acrylic, and then I encapsulated with a clear acrylic. Honestly, I'm not gonna cap, I kind of wasted my time doing that because I guess the glitter was just so clear you couldn't see it through the clear. It's weird to explain it. It wasn't as apparent as I wanted it to be, so I just ended up putting more hearts on top of the nail. But yeah, all this heart encapsulating stuff, child, it was a waste of time. But it still ended up looking good. I just ended up putting more hearts on top of the nail after everything was finished and encapsulated. So if you don't want to waste your time, just do all white and then put the hearts on top of the nail. you know, just gotta make it look more hard. And also to help the glitter sticks, I use a little bit of nail glue. KDS nail glue is my favorite. But yeah, I use a little bit of nail glue, maybe a little bit of UV glue, my little brush on one, and I try to like make the heart stick to the nail so it's easier to apply. But that's optional. If you have that good angle, you got that good. If you got it like that, like your thing's not moving, then you don't have to do all that. You know, just put your hearts on there. But me, I need precision, cause child. Like I said, I encapsulated my nail with the clear acrylic, even though it didn't really matter at the end. And this is after filing everything. But do you see what I mean when I said that the pink was not even showing up? Like, the cards were not showing up. Bro. But, you know, I ended up fixing it, you know. I got it, baby. I know what to do. And this is later on in my room. Honestly, I love doing my nails outside because there's no dust in my room. Then also, I always wear a mask when I do my nails because I'm not trying to, like, I be getting congested. I ain't cap. And also the smell, the monomer smell is not in the house. So yeah, do your nails. If you have a patio, perfect place to do your nails. But oh yeah, so I started my base coat, of course. And to get the heart, I first started with just a dot of pink gel. You can use any color, pink. I like to mix it with a little bit of red so I can get like a little ombre, you know what I'm saying? But that is me being bougie. But I just started with a pink dot, and then I just wrote little hearts with my tiny little brush I got from the beauty supply store on my hand. But yeah, I'm not gonna cap. I don't know if it's just like the gel polish I use. I use the Beatles gel polish from Amazon because it was cheap and it has the best reviews. But I'm like, they made it seem like it was so easy to dry on the finger. I'm like, yeah, it ended up looking okay, you know what I'm saying? But like, I guess the gel for me was not easy to draw with. Like, it made it look like one stroke that had the heart. It took so many strokes for me. I don't know. Maybe if y'all have a better gel polish for me to draw with, drop it down below so I can buy it. Cause yeah, the Beatles one, it was okay, but I felt like I had to use more to get more like pigmentation. I don't know how to describe it. It was just hard to draw with. It was not drawing as much as I wanted it to. But yeah, in between each nail, I made sure to flash cure, so like probably like 5 seconds so it doesn't move. Yeah, I just do that so it's easier on you and everything. But yeah, so just first color is just straight regular polish, just drawing your hearts. For star effects with the hearts, I used my dotted pen. I did like 2 to 3 dots, and then I used the little tip of my brush, and I did like 4 little pokes on it, like straight up to the side, to the other side, and down, so it could get a little point of the star. And yeah, I just did that for all my little stars. Now to get that airbrush look, this is what you do. So you get your regular pink nail polish, and then you get your matte top coat. Once you get those together, I'll like mix it to a consistency where it's kind of clearish, not too pink but not too clear, and just to your liking basically. And then I would go on top of your strokes, a little bit up, a little bit down, your little hearts, and it's gonna make like this airbrush like graffiti type look on your nail, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of fire, I'm not with cat, but yeah. Then to top it off, I get a little bit of white polish and I make little lines in my little hearts and I put a dot in my stars. And yeah, if you mess up this part, just put a little bit more pink or something. I honestly don't care, but it doesn't have to be perfect, well, to me. So this ended up being my finished look. Like I said, I added the rhinestones and then the hearts on top to make my middle and my ring finger into like a little heart shape. Baby, you know what I'm saying? It ended up being cute, you know what I'm saying? Very V-Day, very Valentine's Day. Boo, you know what I'm saying? A little pair of grabbers. It's not a Bible grippers, you know what I'm saying? But they're cute, you know? Yeah. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because more videos are coming. You know, I'm a college student, so you know, my videos not might be, you know, as consistent. But I promise I'm gonna post. Alright? Sooner or later. Because I'm always doing something, so yeah. So thank you for watching my video. And see you on the next one.